Let's count this video as day 6. Okay, now I wanted to talk about something, right? Especially feminism and Miss Henry. I love it. I love it. I don't have something like specific in mind to talk about right now, but I just wanted to talk. So I started the video and I will post it because who cares? No one is watching me. It's only me who is watching myself. So who cares? I'll post it anyway. I'm also thinking of making videos when I move, like when I shift, because right now I don't have the capacity of doing all those things because I live at my parents' house. But we'll do it, and I'm moving somewhere good. I hope so. The neighborhood seems good, but I don't know the proper neighborhood. So let's see. You know what really what really intrigues me? The fact that we humans are the worst creatures and the best creatures of the entire universe. As much as we know, and some of us can do things, unimaginable things to others of us. That thing haunts me. That thing haunts me the most. Why am I doing it? Why am I doing it? I have no idea. But I want to do it. Let me show you my list of things that I have write for shifting. It's not this. See this list. Yes. It is not even clothes and utensils. It's just extra items. Okay. This is not food and clothes. वो उसकी लिस्ट अलग है. You wanna hear some quotes? Let's read some quotes today. On this video. This is what I learned. That was not a quote, but I made it. Life is all about learning. We are here to learn. Every human being is here to learn. I love this. Like हमारा जिंदगी का मकसद ही सीखना है यार. सीखो 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 और प्रोड्यूस करो. सीखो और प्रोड्यूस करो. सीखो और प्रोड्यूस करो. Consume and produce. Consume and produce. I consume lots of content every day for hours. So this is what I'm producing, and it won't be for hours. So I'm gonna produce it. Like I have posted around 6 videos right now, including including the day 11 one. So around, if I'm saying like 10 minutes each, then they are around 1 hour of video, and I consume around 3 to 4 hours of content every day, and I have produced like 1 hour of content in 11 days. That's the worst possible proportion. So we'll make it even, और थोड़ा पास लेके आएंगे. Next. if the path if the path before you is clear, you are probably on someone else. I love how it resonates with me. Like my path is not clear at all. I don't know what I truly want to do, or if I think what I want to do is going to be the thing I should be doing or not. So my path is not clear at all. So I think I'm on the right path. How does my hair look? They look good, right? See? I'm planning on coloring them. What do you say? Should I? Should I color this much of them? Burgundy, red, burgundy, maroon. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. It might look good, it might not. Oh, you see my bookshelf? This is my bookshelf. I have so many books. Let me show you some. जो मेरे इस टेबल पे हैं. Okay. Ikigai, the rudest book ever. How to win and win in friends and influence people. I haven't completed it yet. These two are completed. A Room of Fun Song. I haven't completed two. They are all in progress. That's why they are on the shelf, on the desk. I want not complete them anytime soon though. About my path. One thing I am sure of is that I want to do a business. A business that will earn me in multiples. A business that will earn me in multiples, in compounding interest. Every business do that, but I want a big, good one. And I have no idea what business should I do that I will be able to actually accomplish that thing. That's why I haven't started any business. I think that is bad, but it's okay. I'll do it at some point. And I want to shift abroad. I'm done with India. Really done. So these two things are clear. Three things. I'm I want to do a business that will earn me in compounding interest in multiples. I want to move abroad because I'm done with India. And third thing, I'm not getting married until and unless I find a real person that can handle me. Because others are just stress. And I don't want stress in my life. I throw away trash. Every chance I get. So, bye. Because this video is getting long. That's why, bye.